In this video, I'll be showing you how to register your company for free on Xpanxn. Xpanxn is an industrial B2B marketplace for manufacturers that are based in Gauteng. So I'll start by just doing an organic search on the search bar. And then I see Xpanxn there. And this is how you recognize our site. Xpanxn B2B manufacturing. I just click that. Then you'll be taken to the home page, and the home page has got a dynamic and intuitive search for potential buyers, or if you're just visiting our site, you can start searching here by product name or even company name, or even look at locations here. And then you can discover, when you click discover suppliers, it will tell you all the companies that have been registered so far. So this one will give you all the companies that have been registered, or you search here as we go. And then, but today we will be going to for suppliers. The page here for suppliers is similar to register for free. So I'll be clicking for suppliers so that it takes us to the registration process. The first page of the registration process of a seller, it starts with looking for basic information. So we start here, and then I'll be putting a fiction company, and I'll just say it's my company. And then we need the contact name here. So this will be the salesperson that will receive the inquiries from the buyers all the time. And then give us a bio. It's 50 words. It's not a lot, but the whole aim here is just to give us a small intro, because there will be an opportunity to tell us more about the organization. So company bio tells us when is the company registered, and also tells us what products or industries are you servicing. And then we will buyers will know quickly what kind of an organization this is. So for now, I'll just say I'll just write these words here. And then we need to know also the size of the organization. Where do you fall? And then I'm choosing 51 to 200 employees. And then the supplier type, custom manufacturer. Do you have capabilities in-house of producing and manufacturing products as per customer requirements? They give you drawings for you to produce. Or are you a distributor? You keep parts in your organization that you actually sell directly, or standard components off the shelf. So for today, I'll be choosing custom manufacturer. And then the email address, I will use the same one for info@Xpanxn, which is our official email address. And then I will choose a password, which, just like any other site, they just need to match for verification. And then I will be clicking next now, because we are done with step 1 of registration, which is just the account information. Next. And then it takes me, the site will take me to page 2, which is the location. This was the easiest one, because currently we are only servicing organizations that are in Gauteng. So the sellers are in Gauteng. So you can choose your district. I'll say West Rand, and then you can click next. And then product specialization is the products that your organization has a capability, or it produces, or you are marketing, or you are selling, or you are capable of doing. So under manufacturing, you've got various choices as well. There could be drill bits, processing, blasting. And then under fasteners, you've got other options as well for you to choose the items that your organization does produce. Under power transmissions, we've got gears, we've got bearings, we've got chains and sprockets. And then also under structural support, you've got housings, sprockets, beams, blades, struts. If it's just general brackets that you do, you can select as well. And then motion control, you've got other options that you can select. And then this side, I've got sealing and fluid handling components. I've got gaskets, O-rings, valves, and then machine elements, jigs, fixtures, and bushings. Under automotive, you've got particular items that are related to automotive. And then on the HVAC, and thermal components is radiators, compressors, and condensers. And then we've selected miscellaneous mechanical parts just that might be required by and then here the last one is if of course you are producing or you are you've got products that are not listed here, you can give us an other, but you can send us an email at info@xpanxn.co.za with the aim of us adding them in the later releases as we update the website. So for now, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm selecting a few parts that I'm capable of doing here. Then we can move. Then I select next. Then this page 4, it's about certifications. So I go to LFS. If you've got ISO 9001, you can select ISO 9001. Under environmental, we have ISO 14001, and then under health and safety, we've got ISO 45001, and then specializations for the welding and all the other ones, they will be here. So I'm just selecting those two for us to proceed, and then I say next. And then it takes you to the final page, which is very important. You need to select this very carefully because these are the capabilities your organizations have in-house. So under heat treatment, you need to choose if it's annealing, case hardening, tempering, and then under material removal processes, you can tell us on the turning, do you have conventional or CNC milling, and the drilling as well. You can select plasma cutting, and then shaping and forming, casting. So you can tell us as well which other capabilities you have, and the joining and assembly processes, resistance welding or gas, and then on bracing. So I can select just this, and then surface finish. You need to tell us also if for short blasting or short pinning. So these are capabilities you've got internally in-house, not capabilities that you'll be outsourcing. Metrology, I can say hardness testing, and then quality. Do you use QCP or jigs and fixtures to actually double check your components? And then by the time you click next here, you are actually done. The next stage here, it will send an email to the email that you gave us, and then you need to verify the email. After that, you are done. You can come and search for your organization. It will be live, and it will be already be searchable by all potential buyers. We look forward to welcoming you at Xpanxn.